Personal presentation by Natalia Torres. My name is Natalia Torres. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I am 26 years old. I am chef from La Salle College University. I live with my husband since 2016. As a hobby, I like to read and play with my pet. I am studying food engineering. My favorite TV show is The Walking Dead. And I don't have a favorite sport, but I like to go to the gym. Describing my family. In my family, we are two, my husband and me. His name is Camilo Aldana, and he is handsome. His average stature, has blonde hair and likes to ride his bicycle. He has tattoos and works with Google in customer service. He's older than me for 1 year, and he has 27 years old. He takes care of me, and he is lovely. He picks me up in the bus station every night and loves to give me presents. In my family, I have my parents and sister, and pet as well. My mother's name is Sonia Ramirez. She is 54 years old and works with my uncle in a food business. She is very lovely with her family and takes care of us. She has black hair and tall and thin. She likes to play poker and smoke some cigarettes. My father's name is Francisco Torres. He is 57 years old and his profession is shoemaker. He's lovely but serious sometimes. He always takes care of his family and loves his wife Sonia. He's tall and strong and likes to play chess and pool. My sister has 30 years old. She lives in Germany. About 4 years ago, she works with Audi as an engineer. She is tall and has brown hair, is thin and sweet, and like children. In her free times, she likes to ride her bicycle and read some books. Finally, my pet is Tana. She is a pit bull. She is 4 years old and she is very playful and loving. Thanks.